Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen flickering issue on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness and turn off auto brightness. After turn off auto brightness, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.